Hey y'all, it's Leah. Just wanted to share with you my Lavender and Lace journal. I just got it finished today. Took me a couple of days to work on it, but overall I think it went fairly quickly. I kind of like to just, once I get an idea in my head, like to kind of plow through with it and get it done. So this is a swap. This is a journal that I've actually been planning for a long time and collecting things for it. I just assumed it was going to be for me for the first one because I do love purple and I love lace. And Cheryl over at Junk Journaling Journey put together this swap, and she was like, you've got to do it. It worked out that it happened to be during spring break, and so I was going to have time to do it, and so that is what I've been working on this week, actually, while I was on leave dealing with some other stuff. So this was helping to channel some of my thoughts and creativity for this past week. So it is a 2-signature journal. It is a soft cover. I just used a manila mailing envelope and covered that with this calico, purple calico fabric, and then wrapped around this piece of lace that I found, which was not super expensive, from Joann's for like the whole fabric. I was super excited to find that. So I'm not sure who this journal is going to yet. We will be matched up later this week. And so I don't know who's going to get it, but I hope that they love it as much as I do. So the cover I did, this was the first time kind of doing a cover like this with this like layered piece on top of it. Added a little dangle on here. I'm still learning how to do beadwork and just kind of playing around with that. So it's just got lots of little pieces on there. So let's take a look inside. So we open it up. I got this beautiful trim package from a lady. I'll link her YouTube below because I used a bunch of her trims through here. She had this gorgeous purple, kind of a lavender and black and purplish trim package that is amazing. So I just have a little tag, and I just wrote on there what it was for. That way the recipients will know who made it. I used 4 different kits from Etsy. I think a couple of different designers. So I will also link those in there. So they're just kind of mixed throughout. I did some decoration, but I tried to leave some of the pages blank, so whoever gets it can add their own thing. I had ordered this player piano roll. You get a whole roll of it for like $5 or something from the Junk Sisters Journals, who I love their Etsy shop. And so I mean, it has like yards and yards and yards of material on there, and so I just cut a little piece of that. This is actually cut in half, and I used a piece in each signature. There's a little pocket that I had made the other day for a bingo challenge we were doing, where I had to do something with purple, and of course, so I did that. Tried to do on all of the coffee dyed and onion skin dyed and avocado dyed papers. I trimmed them all with lace or ribbon. So I had fun with that. I am, as you can see, I am sewing more than I ever have before. My mom and my husband are both very proud of me that I'm doing that, and have said I'm getting fairly good at it. So I was very excited. My lines are straight and all that. So I've got this tag that I put together, some coffee dyed sari silk, or like silk ribbon that my mom did. She all of the dyed papers are from her. She sent me a package the other day with lots of different things. This was from that bingo challenge the other day too. I had to do something using coffee dyed paper, and so I did that. She also did, I thought this was a great idea, just to do some sheets of notebook paper. Yeah, I've got some music page. Tried to just add little tags here and there. Here I made a belly band out of some tickets. That's the center. So the kits that I had a lot of ephemera in it, so I really liked them, so then I could just kind of mix and match different things in there. So just add some little pockets. This is one of my favorite laces there. Put some tabs here and there. This is another piece of that trim from that trim package that I got. I also used some things. One of my last videos was a walkthrough of my florist journal that I received from Cheryl, and so this was one of the pieces that was in there. So I tried to did exactly, it served its purpose, where I was able to pull out some things. I think this was from there as well. Just a butterfly that I had. I just kind of played around, did a couple of little eyelets here and there. I had some cutouts that somebody had sent me in Happy Mail. I'm sorry, I can't remember who that was. Just another belly band. Just kind of flip through that. This was, again, that was from that bingo challenge where I had to do something with a button. And so I did that. Some wallpaper. This was from my florist journal. This was a tag that I made. We did a purple tag swap. It was one of the first swaps that I did, and I made an identical tag like this to send to somebody, and I made one that I was going to keep, but I decided it would go really well in here, so I put it in there. Some more. That was that piece of lace I cut out one of the flowers. Thought that looked really pretty. And doily in the middle. This is my favorite part. This is some more of that trim package that I ordered. So I just made a little fabric flip with that. This was, somebody had sent me, again, don't remember who that came from, but sent me a big sheet of handmade paper, and it was purple, so of course I was obsessed with it. So I cut a strip of that to make just a little side tuck spot. Put some little tags and things in there. Another piece of that piano roll. I made this yesterday actually as a demo for a swap that I am doing, which you may have seen that video, to show journal cards and tuck spots. So that is there. And then just made a little lace tag and turned a little card, which could have been a journaling card or whatever. I just turned that into a tuck spot. And that's the end, so that's the back. You can see some of the stitching that I did on there, even double stitched my ribbon because my mom said I had to. So I had never sewn ribbon before, but I am super happy with it, and I hope whoever gets it is going to love it as much as I do. This will definitely be a hard one to send away. And it's my first full album that I've done. The journal that I have sent away, I've done the florist journal, and I've done some little ones before, but I've never done like a full 2 signature journal to send away. So I'm super pleased with it. So hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something or something you want to try. So see y'all later. Bye.